Okay, Balian here. I'm going to just review Playblast. I know most of you know how to do this. So first off, every time you open your computer, or the Maya file that is, I want you to go to File, Set, Project. And mine is the action pose right here. So Maya knows exactly where we're saving our work. A couple things. I want you guys to go to the render settings. Okay, give it a name, right? I'm going to call this Balian, whatever, 5 poses, okay? Kick poses, whatever. Kick, let's go to poses here, boom, done. And notice that the path to your files are here, documents, Maya, projects, grade 12, action poses, whatever. So we want to go to JPEG, okay? And then quality 100. And what I prefer is you guys select name underscore extension, okay? Right here, that one. And you will see as soon as you name something, the numbers are here. And I'm not rendering 1 to 25. Or are we? Hang on a second. Well, how did I end up with 29 here? No, I think this is 25. That is correct. 1 to 26. 1 to 25. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, 24 frames, 1 second of animation, people. So this is not like, okay, so another thing I've done, I've created a camera shot. That's okay. And I'm setting my rendering right now 1280 720. Okay, that's all it is. It's that simple. Okay, make sure you're not in here. So somehow we need to click out. Okay, and click on here. Boom. I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to deselect here. So we're going to do a Playblast, right? So we're going to right-click in here, Playblast option box. Nice and simple. The key is here: Photo AV, quality 100, scale 100. Don't reduce anything. This is nothing. Okay. Before I go there, I'm just going to put show all for a second. And I'm going to go to my outliner window. Outline. I'm going to get rid of the light that I initially had. The sky dome. Boom. See you later. So if I run a rendering right now, I'm in the dark. So you can see we're in the dark. So what I want everybody to do, since we're in 2018, what I want you guys to do is basically press escape here. And we're going to place the Arnold light. Okay, so the simplest one right now, without getting into too many details, is you go to Arnold, drop down, lights, and let's go to Sky Dome. Sky Dome, look at that, lights are on. Boom, without, with, okay. And then I'm gonna show none, and I will show only polygons for now. Another thing I like to do with my Playblast, I always want to have the frame number so I can actually give you a comment and a critique at a specific frame number. How did I do that? Okay, display, heads up display, right here. Boom. Where are you, my friend? Current frame, right here. Okay, so display, everybody has to do this, heads up display, and anytime I see a Playblast, I want to see the current frame. Okay, good stuff. All right, so let's just do this. Command Shift S, let's save this as number 14. A, and it's demo. Okay, so let's go. Playblast option right here, 14A. And if you don't put save to file, or you find this, you can't even find that, and you're only seeing this, it means there's more to it. Instead of scrubbing down like this, sliding down, I rather you guys see the full picture. Okay, so 14A, and it's good. And apply. Let's see what this comes up. Boom, quick. This was the previous one that I just showed you guys, and here's my 14A. Press play, and you will submit this to me as probably your 7th or 10th Playblast in progression. Okay, so that's this part, and I believe how far have I gone here? 3.5. All right, almost 4 minutes. Good. So let's do a rendering. Okay, so the reason why I got in here is because we set up the Arnold render, right? There's no more mental ray, obviously. So we'll go to Arnold, and I'm going to crank this to 6. Watch what happens. This is going to take forever. The higher this is, ooh boy, it's going to be madness. Let's just try this. You'll see how long one render is going to take. Okay, so that's all I've done. I've just increased diffuse, and I've increased camera. Yeah, thank you, Ayman. Okay, so here it is. We have a camera shot. Okay, you guys may be in perspective, not a good idea. Camera shot's better. Okay, so now I'm going to move from modeling to rendering. See, that's the difference. Drop down here, modeling to rendering. Excellent. So render, we'll go to render sequence and see what comes up. Okay, look at that. Camera shot. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we'll just say render sequence right now. So you will see it's going to take forever. So I'm assuming I'm going to pause. I'm going to actually pause after this. I'm just going to hold off for 1. You'll see that the resolution, it's going to take a long time. This is where you kind of walk away. You do your acting performances in the hallway, and then you come back and see that your shot is actually done. So this has taken more than a minute just to do. Let's just hang on here while I'm blabbing away here. It should be another 10-15 seconds hopefully. So sorry about this. So let's see how long. Imagine we're rendering 24 frames. 1 to 25 is 24, equaling 1 second of animation. And once we have all those frames rendered out into a folder, which is what Maya's going to do because we have a proper folder tree, we will bring each one of these images into QuickTime Pro, and we'll make one sequence that will be 1 second long. Okay, so that took almost over a minute. So what I'm going to do is pause for the cause. See you guys in a bit, okay? See ya. Okay, we're back, and this, look at this. Frame 1 took about a minute all the way down. So I'm looking at possibly, yeah, let's see, 15, 21 minutes, close to 25 minutes, so a minute a shot, okay? So there's my shot. It's in my images. This is why we always set the folder, because Maya knows where to save. I love that. It's not in movies, it's in images, okay? So there it is, today at 10:44. Lovely. So what I'll do now, I'll open up QuickTime Pro, and I'll go File. This is the same thing in Premiere, okay? It's Open Image Sequence right here. Open Image Sequence, Command-Shift-O. And let's see, this is today, and I'll just go to, you always go to the first frame, okay, first frame, and the rest, the software will do it, and it will also ask me, is it 24 frames per second, and I say yes, 100%. So now here it is. I'm going to play it, okay. I can study it here, and what I don't like already from this, I can see the neck jogging right here. Let's see, boom, boom, back. Something going on with the neck. This is okay. The ending, there's something in here. There's a little too much turn. Something's going on. It's okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Command S. So you guys will press Command S. You'll put your name, for me, Balian. Okay, and I'm going to call this Sidekick Cycle. Okay, whatever. It's just 5 poses, really. So now, this is only 2.3 megabytes. How sweet is that? Alright, so that's what we did, guys. I want you guys to render out. Remember, you have to be in rendering. Don't ask me where to go. How does that work? You're not in modeling, you're in rendering. And what we did is I'll minimize this right now, say bye-bye to this one. And you went to Render Sequence right here, okay? Balian out. Okay, see you, everybody. Thank you. And it's under 8 minutes. Oh, yeah.